For decades, we were told the biggest wealth transfer in history was coming, that parents would pass down homes, businesses, and savings, that a new generation would finally benefit. But the truth is, the wealth transfer is already happening. Just not the way most people think, and most of the money isn't going where you expect. Welcome to Inheritance Math, a channel about economics explained through history, money, and power. This is not financial advice. This is financial education. Today, we're breaking down the $100 trillion wealth transfer, where it came from, how it's unfolding right now, and who actually benefits when wealth moves between generations. Over the next few decades, an estimated $100 trillion in assets will move from older generations to younger ones. This includes homes, businesses, stocks, bonds, cash, retirement accounts. On paper, it sounds massive. But wealth doesn't move in a vacuum. It moves through systems. Historically, wealth transfers don't happen evenly. After World War II, wealth concentrated through property ownership, stable wages, pensions, low debt that created the largest middle-class expansion in modern history. But since the 1980s, the system changed. Financialization increased debt, replaced income growth, assets inflated faster than wages. This matters because inheritance only works if assets remain affordable to maintain. When someone inherits a home, they don't just inherit value. They inherit property taxes, maintenance costs, insurance, capital gains, exposure. For many heirs, especially middle-class ones, the inheritance becomes a liability, not leverage. This is where things quietly flip. Before families ever touch inheritance money, several entities take their cut. Governments, taxation, banks, debt settlement, healthcare systems, end-of-life costs, asset managers, fees, fund structures. By the time wealth reaches heirs, it's often smaller, fragmented, or forced into liquidation. Meanwhile, large institutions benefit from asset sales, management fees, reinvestment cycles. Families with multiple assets, trust structures, financial literacy, access to advisors can preserve and compound inheritance. Families without those systems often convert inheritance into short-term spending or debt relief, not long-term wealth. The result: wealth concentrates upward, institutions accumulate assets, inequality widens quietly, legally, and predictably. For many people, the real inheritance is not money.